Have you ever looked at those crypto traders on YouTube or Twitter and thought, what the heck is going on in their heads? You see the charts, the candlestick, the gains, and sometimes the massive losses. And it feels like they are speaking another language. 1 minute they are selling by the dip, the next it's over, sell everything. But what if I told you that behind all those screens and memes there is a method to madness? Today we are going inside the mind of crypto trader. And trust me, it's not all Lambos and laser eyes. In this episode, we are going to pull back the curtain and explore what really goes on inside the mind of crypto trader, especially those just starting out. We will talk about the emotional roller coaster, the daily routines, the mindset shifts, the tools they use, and how they make decisions under pressure. Whatever you are just curious about crypto, thinking of dipping your toes in, or you have already bought your first Bitcoin and you are wondering what's next, this one is for you. Because understanding how a trader thinks isn't just about trading. It's about building the right habits, avoiding rookie mistakes, and maybe, just maybe, staying sane in one of the wildest markets on earth. Let's start with the raw truth. Crypto trading is psychological warfare against yourself. Most beginners think that trading is about finding the perfect chart pattern or that one magical indicator that tells you exactly when to buy and when to sell. But here's the thing, the market doesn't just test your skills, it tests your emotions. You are going to feel greed when your portfolio is up 30%, panic when it drops to 50%, FOMO when a coin you didn't buy moons, regret when you sell too early, and doubt when you're holding too long. Sound familiar? Now imagine that happening every single day, sometimes every hour. Crypto is 24/7 market. It doesn't sleep. And for many traders, that constant stimulation turns into addiction. They check charts in the bathroom. They trade in a bed at 3 a.m. They miss dinner with a friend because Ethereum is testing support. Why? Because every candle on the chart feels like a threat or an opportunity. What if this is the move I've been waiting for? What if I miss it and it never comes back? Welcome to Trader's Brain. Part economics, part gambler, and part monk. Alright, let's slow it down. Most beginners traders ask, what platform should I use? Which indicators are the best? Should I use TradingView or CoinMarketCap or something else? And look, these tools are great, but let's get something straight. The tools don't make the trader, the mindset does. Still, let's go through the essentials. TradingView, king of charts, draw trend lines, use indicators, replay past moves. Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, where the actual trades go down. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, track market caps, CoinInfo, and gainers, losers. Indicators, moving averages, smooth out price action. RSI, Relative Strength Index, shows overbought or oversold conditions. MACD, track momentum and trend shifts. Volume, don't ignore it. No volume, no strength. But here's a little secret. Even pro traders use this with a caution. Why? Because no indicator is 100% reliable. They are tools, not oracles. The real game, risk management and emotional discipline. And the million-dollar question, how much should I put into this coin? And here is the answer no one wants to hear. Only what you are willing to lose. Let me say it louder. Crypto is risky. All of it, even Bitcoin. Beginners traders often make one of two mistakes. They go all in on one moonshot altcoin, then watch it to crash 80%. They spread $50 across 20 coins and wonder why nothing moves. So what's the middle ground? Smart beginners think like this. Start with small positions. Seriously, even $10 or $100 is enough to learn. Use portfolio split. For example, 60% Bitcoin or Ethereum, 30% solid altcoins, 10% gambles. Set stop losses and take profit levels before you buy. Avoid leverage until you know what you are doing. Spoiler, you probably don't yet. Trading isn't about hitting a home run. It's about not striking out. Want to know what most pro traders are thinking when they enter a trade? How do I not lose too much if I'm wrong? That's it. That's the whole game. So what does an actual day in the life of a trader look like? Let's bust a myth right now. Most traders don't spend 12 hours glued to the chart. If they do, they burn out fast. Instead, successful traders build a system. Here is a basic example. Morning. Check the major news. Did anything blow up overnight? Review open positions. Plan the day. Any trade setting up? Midday. Minimal chart watching. Stick to alerts and preset entries. Exits. Go live a life. Get some sun or exercise. Evening. Review what worked, what didn't. Journal your trades. Yep, journaling helps a lot. Study a strategy. Watch a video. Improve one thing. Sound boring? Good, that's the point. The best traders are boring. They follow routines, stick to plans, and avoid emotional chaos. Want excitement? Go to casino. Want a results? Get consistent. Alright, time for a deep stuff. You can learn all the technicals, you can master chart patterns, and you can even catch a few big wins. But until you master your emotions, you will keep sabotaging yourself. Let me ask you something. Have you ever bought a coin because everyone on Twitter was talking about it? Have you ever sold in a panic during a dip only to watch the price bounce right back? Have you ever doubled down on loss trying to make it back? Yeah, we all been there. Trading success doesn't come from more knowledge, it comes from more discipline. The market is a mirror, it reflects your strengths and your weaknesses. Here are a few mindset shifts that change the game for real traders. Reframe your losses. Instead of I suck, I lost money, try I paid for a lesson. What did I learn? Delay gratification. You don't need to be in a trade 24/7. Sometimes the best move is no move. Journal everything. Track your wins and your losses. You will start to see patterns in your behavior, and that's priceless. The real growth happens between the trades. Let's be honest for a second. Trading sounds sexy. Fast money, chart, adrenaline. But it's not for everyone, and that's okay. There is a difference between investing in crypto and trading it. You can absolutely build the wealth with a long-term holding, aka hodling, without checking charts every single day. But if you do feel the spark, the curiosity, the challenge, the puzzle-solving itch, then trading might be your thing. Just promise me this. Don't skip your mindset work. Don't risk money you can't afford to lose. Don't expect to be a millionaire in a month. Because inside the mind of a crypto trader, there is one truth we all learn eventually. The market doesn't reward the smartest people. It rewards the most patient. Let's bring it all together. Inside the mind of the crypto trader, you will find emotions on overdrive, but controlled by discipline. Tools and indicators, useful but never foolproof. Risk management, more important than a big wins. Daily routines, designed to reduce chaos. Mindset mastery, the true edge in the market. If you're just starting out, don't worry about being perfect. Worry about being intentional. Take small steps, learn from your losses, stay curious, stay grounded. And never let a green candle make you greedy or a red candle make you quit. If you find this helpful and you want more content like this, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below. Have you ever tried trading crypto before? What was your biggest mistake or your biggest lesson? Or are you just starting and have a question? Ask away, I respond to everyone. This is just beginning of your journey, and trust me, there is much more to explore. So until next time, stay smart, stay curious, and don't trade with your rent money. Peace out, future traders.